In this video, I'm going to talk about a mobile bank account that you can open if you're under 18 years old. My name is Anthony Allen and welcome here to my YouTube channel, the YouTube channel where we like to keep things simple and easy to understand so that we can play it smart, whether it be gaming, video editing or online money. If you like to play it smart, hit the subscribe button and show people just how smart you really are when you watch these videos so that you can simplify all those complicated facets of gaming, video editing and online money and other topics that we tackle too. Now that's a smart move. So a mobile bank account that you can open if you're under 18 years old. This is amazing and you're really going to thank me at the end of this video. So make sure that you watch this video all the way through to the end so that you get all of the value that I'm giving to you here. This account is really easy to open and it's available to you today. The mobile banking institution that I'm talking about is called Monzo. If you're aged 16 to 17 years old, you can open a mobile bank account with Monzo today. It's really easy to open and all you need is identification so we can identify who you are when you're signing up for Monzo and a mobile phone. You download the application, you go through the sign up process and this bank account can be yours today if you are aged 16 to 17 years old. So I bet some of the older adults out there are asking, isn't that just a junior account? No, this is not a junior bank account. This is a bank account that has all of the features that adult bank accounts have within the Monzo application. The only limitation this account has is that you can't purchase things like gambling. So if you're a young gambler, which is actually illegal, then of course you cannot do this with this type of bank account. These are the things that are limited with the 16 to 17 year old Monzo bank account. You can't gamble as it's illegal, so therefore Monzo will block that when you're trying to purchase gambling services with this type of account. But everything else is available to you. Everything an adult bank account gets with Monzo, this account also has. This includes all of the features that Monzo has available, including being able to verify online payments, which is one of the best things that Monzo has available. You can actually stop a payment from coming out there and then. You have to approve online payments that come to your account. For example, let's say somebody's taken your card and they have made a purchase online at an online store, Amazon, Argos, eBay, one of those sorts of places. This will come through to your mobile application and you will be able to see that payment and it needs to be approved through you. You enter your PIN into the app and that is how you verify those payments. So somebody cannot take your card details and make a payment on an item online without your say-so. There are also some other amazing features that Monzo has available. And a lot of you are probably sitting there going, hey, but are you one of these YouTubers who hasn't used this service yourself? You are wrong, ladies and gents, because I use Monzo myself. Monzo is one of the services that I use and I wouldn't be recommending it if I do not highly recommend the service. So let's explain the process of signing up for this bank account. First, download the Monzo app. You can find the link for the Monzo application in my description or you can search it in your Google Play Store or your Apple App Store. Then you follow the sign up instructions. You will need one form of identification to verify who you are. Once you've verified who you are, you can have your card sent through the post and you'll be ready to start using your Monzo account. It's that easy. So if you're under 18 years old or age 16 to 17 years old, you can now open your very own Monzo account. It's quick, it's easy. I've explained it here in this video. That's basically all you need to know. But if you want more information, hit me up in the comment section down below. And remember, we like to play it smart. Share this video around so that other 16 to 17 year olds can open up their bank account today. And if anybody's got a problem with you sharing this video, you tell them that Anthony Allen said, don't hate the player, hate the game.